made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me?
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and as you can see, my wig came via FedEx. Now this is from a company called Iziwigs, also known as lacewigsby.com, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box as usual. So they did send some wig caps, a comb, and a whole bunch of clips that you can put onto your wig just to secure it a little more.
You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep.
So this is the wig itself. This is a yaki textured wig, you guys. It's about 16 inches and it's a lace front, and it does have very limited parting space. I would say you get about 3 inches of parting space. They did provide all of the details on the tag, which I absolutely love. But yeah, this is a lace front again, and it has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps.
Just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes. Babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come.
Okay, you guys, so once I got that lace cut off, all I did to adhere this wig to my head was use my Got2b glue free spray and nothing else. My blow dryer, and yeah, you guys are gonna see that. So just relax and watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back towards the end of the video to share my final thoughts.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Babe, I gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgrade of business.
You mess me up and I miss it. We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. I just wanna love ya. 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 But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna.
Okay, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. I just wanted to come back and share with you my final thoughts on this wig. I feel like it was really easy to adhere to my head, especially for beginners. It holds a really nice curl, as you guys can see. Again, the parting space is limited, and that's because this is a lace front wig. But yeah, it does hold a curl. I did not receive any type of shedding or tangling. I love this yaki texture. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this wig down below in the comment section. And if you're interested in this wig, again, this is from Iziwigs, and all of the details will be down below in the description box. So please be sure to check there. And on that note, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Can